Hello YouTubers, another unboxing of another Casio watch I had bought for my wife for the Christmas holiday. This one also from Amazon. I've not seen this one in a lot of spots, and on Amazon it was the last one available, so it must be I'm guessing a discontinued model. I don't have the number handy, but it'll be on the card on there. So just a regular analog. It's not a day-date digital type one. It's an analog. As you can see, this one probably was either sent in, returned, or a showroom model or whatever that became available. As you can see, it's red. Again, it's a woman's watch, not a man's. And since the flip doesn't zoom in and autofocus, it does zoom but not autofocus. This is an LTP1311L-4A1 DF. Obviously, accoutrement paperwork, Casio analog HK-Y, multiple languages. There you have it. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was under 20 bucks, give or take. Your pricing may vary, obviously. It's not a resin watch band, it's a leatherette style with a hole, and it's got two inserts to put the flap through. It's actually very heavy. Fairly thick bezel or housing. As you can see, it's just an hour and minute hand with a second hand. Glow in the dark hands. It's got a sort of a semi-chronometer housing with 60, 20, 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 with little blue markers in between, really just as reference points. You can see for a day-to-day or a dress-up watch, it looks pretty good for a woman's wrist. Like I said, there's some heft to it. Actually feels very solid, so another good deal from Casio. Thanks, YouTubers.